Today, I'll walk you through how to quote Snapchat text snaps in picture or video replies, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to respond with a snap that references a specific message, so you can enhance your conversations and keep the fun going. First, let's get started by opening your Snapchat app. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you have it ready to go. Once you're in the app, navigate to the chat section. You can find this by tapping on the chat icon at the bottom of your screen. It looks like a speech bubble. Now open the conversation with the friend you want to send a snap reply to. This is similar to picking up the phone to call a friend. You want to connect with the right person. Once you're in the chat, look for the message you want to quote. Next, tap and hold the message you wish to reference. This action is like selecting a text in a document. It allows you to choose what you want to focus on. When you do this, a menu will appear. From this menu, select Snap Reply. This option will trigger the Snapchat camera to open, and you'll see the message you're replying to displayed on your screen. It's like having a visual cue right in front of you. Now it's time to get creative. Tap on the circle to take a photo or record a video. This is your moment to express yourself, so feel free to add some fun filters or stickers if you like. Once you're satisfied with your snap, simply tap on the send button to share your reply with your friend. And there you have it. You've successfully quoted a Snapchat text snap in your picture or video reply. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Snapchat often updates its interface, but the core steps remain the same. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.